Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to import files into Garageband. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so that you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Garageband application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not already have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page of the application, where we can see all the options we have for recording our music. As you can see, we can access the instruments right here, like the keyboard, drums, and so on. We can plug in a guitar, or we can just go ahead and open up the audio recorder option. So for today's video, guys, I'm just going to use the audio recorder option, even though it works the same for whatever you choose right here. It's going to be the same interface. I'm just going to open up audio recorder, and it's going to open up this new menu right here, which is the recorder menu, where we can get started recording our voice. We can record any instruments we want to play in real life and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started importing files. So basically in this menu right here, we want to go ahead and open up the edit menu, where we can get started mixing our tracks. So go ahead and right here in the upper left corner, click on the button that's going to change this to the edit menu, where now we can see all of the tracks that we have, the instruments we play, and so on. And now in the upper right corner is going to appear a button that after we click it is going to enable us to go ahead and add any files. So as you can see, there is an option that says browse items from the files app. So if you click on browse items from the files app, it's going to open up your files app, where you can go and select any MP3 file that you want to use and add to GarageBand. So go ahead and find your MP3 files right here, and after clicking on them, it's going to add them right here, where you can successfully drag and drop them into your mixing studio. So clicking on them and dragging and dropping them right here is going to enable you to add them to your music and to your track and get started with adding any effects that you want to get your desired song. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.